a little different. We're on the couch. This is the RTOD couch today because we're doing a Let's Watch. And we are watching how to build your own PC from Q and Tech TV. This is from 2002. It's a VHS. Um, and it's going to tell you how to build a computer in 2002. It's going to have Lee Laporte and Patrick Norton. And yes, it's VHS. You're probably wondering why the box is so big. It's about the same size as software boxes of the day. So I think the idea was you'd put this on your shelf next to your Windows and Linux install boxes and nobody would know any better. But this this should be a lot of fun. It was $25 new, $38 Canadian, 18 pounds over in the UK. This is going to be an hour. Okay, this is going to be an hour of us watching